the cat, mouse, cat, Pluto, Lily, Pet, Jimmy, mice. One of a time, a mouse tail wanted to get rid of its enemy, a big cat. So the Mother Mouse called a meeting. The Mother Mouse said, "We need a way to stop the cat. Any ideas?" Jimmy the right mouse stood up and said, Let's put a bell around the cat's neck. Then we will know when he is coming." Right then, Lily, the pink mouse, asked, "But who will bell the cat?" Jimmy asked Lily to bell the cat, but Lily replied, "Sorry, I am too weak to do it." Next, Jimmy asked Pet, the old mouse, to bell the cat, but Pet replied, "Sorry, I am too old to do it." Then Jimmy asked Pluto, the big mouse, to bell the cat, but Pluto replied, "Sorry, I am too clumsy to do it." None of the mice want to bell the cat. Just then the cat appeared. All the mice ran away. No one talked about belling the cat again. That's why to this day mice are still afraid of cats.